Okay, continuation po ito ng ating video last day. So this is again Islamic coin. This is 1 dinar, the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan. I have no idea if how much ngayon ang palitan sa atin ng 1 Jordanian dinar, but for all I know, I think in the Philippines somewhere in 100 plus or something. I have no idea. I'm not sure. Okay, the next coin is this. I think it's also from Jordan. No, I'm not really sure. Here at the back of the coin, but I think it's 25 actually. I know how to read numbers in Arabic, but I don't know how to read the words or letters. So this is 199 1996 and dash 1416. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Thank you. I try my best. Okay, let's move on to our next coin. Okay, guys, our next coin is lira again, but unlike the first one, the 1 lira and 50 kurus, this is 1,000. See? 1,000 lira, dated 1990. Flip it. Also, 1993, 1,000 lira. And again, 1,000 lira, 1991. The last one, I heard there's 5,000, something like that, but I only have here is 2,500, dated 1991, 2,500 lira. Wow. Okay, next coin is this, guys. Livres. So the 100 from before that I show you, I'm not sure what is this. Sorry guys, correct me if I'm wrong. I have no idea really which country are they. Especially this one that we names Bahrain. This one is 25. Piatres, I think this one. So, see? This one is 2007, 1428. Let's flip it. See? This one is Kuwait. So this one is dated 1987 to 1407. I'm not sure which country is this. Please comment down below, guys. This one is given to me by my friend Pakistani. And this one is 1974 to 1394. Wow, it's old. See? 1974 to 1394 as well. No, I think this one, and this one are the same. This one, I don't know what is this. Okay, something written. Let us read. Republic of Georgia. Wow. So this guys, this is, I think this is not a Islamic coin. And the other one is Bahrain. See? Okay guys, for more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comments, or give me a, or if you think that some of these are rare, please message me. So I have an idea. I really appreciate it for the help. Thank you very much. Good evening to all the collectors out there. And to all the Muslim brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum, ma'as salama.